Hi everybody, Someone Girly here with another unboxing of the Stickii Cute Pack for April of 2023. I paused because I couldn't remember which month this was. There's going to be a lot of noise in the background. Windows are open. It is a nice, beautiful day. Just a reminder that I am visually impaired. I need reader glasses and the zoom on my camera to see fine details. Otherwise, I would know what in the world we both are looking at. Oh, I forgot. Don't forget to tamp it down so you don't accidentally cut the little organizer. Editing me is going to love that. Alright, no spoilers obviously, so let's see what we got in here. Nothing left in the envelope, that's great, that's great. Okay, let's see. You're gonna bloop and show you guys that. Well, it looks like we got KAWAII ACADEMIA. We have cute little bears and whatnot sitting here enjoying the book life. Love that. It's the cutest thing I've ever seen. Like little miniature bears like playing on the books. Alright, we got our accessory pocket here, and looks like we might have gotten another stamp. This one looks a little unusual. Let's see here. Okay, I took the little plastic sheet off of it. Okay, definitely cute. There's some pens and erasers. So, they are individual stamps this time. They are tiny. Very tiny. Each one of these pulls off. The back is sticky, and then you can put it on an acrylic stamp block to use them, but you can either use all four if you'd like, or you can use one at a time. These are adorable. Everybody's out there with their yeet yeet trucks. We've never gotten like miniature ones before. They've always been at least one. Alright, we got our stationery pocket, which is usually some sort of paper product. Okay, it's definitely a notepad, not a sticky pad. Multiple sheets. It looks like our little bears from, oh, that's a little bear bookmark. It's our bears. It kind of looks like from the theme sticker. That one's a little one, but this one's a bigger one, and they're enjoying a book. Looks like it's just a blank page. There is our artist mark. So yeah. That's great and adorable and so perfect. Now, the stickers. Give me 1 minute. Okay, we've got 6 sticker sheets and another stationery item. 2 are clear, 4 are solid. I want to see the stationery item before we start. I believe it's either a envelope with a card or a postcard. See in a second. Looks like stationery envelope with paper. Okay, envelope with paper this time. So it's a note set. There is the artist mark of the person who created this. This is a thick envelope too. So like if you're gonna send a letter. There's only one. Yeah, there's only one. There's actually a lot of pages here, though. Oh, nope. I was wrong. They're not a lot of pages. They're folded, which, wow. They're full size. Nothing on the back but the brand. So let's look at the front. We got a cute little potion bottle here. I think it's a good night. Yeah. And then we have a cat here with a large pen. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, it's a fountain pen. And there's definitely lines on here. They were very faint to me when I was looking at them. That is adorable. Let's see here about the envelope. Now, gonna be a little difficult to write a letter to someone on this unless you put it on the back, but even then it's still a little difficult. Okay, on to the stickers. Okay, we've got a sheet of solid see-through stickers, and what I mean by see-through is the backing is see-through. I'm going to turn one of the other ones around so that they can be seen better. Okay, we definitely got some sparkly things and a very cute character who is trying their hardest to do the job that they're doing. So many jobs. Oh, that's a cute. Oh, I'm keeping that one. Nobody can have it. I'm keeping it. Okay, do we have an artist mark somewhere? Is this created by somebody at Stickii? These are fabulous. I wish they would. I say this every time. I wish that they would tell us who the artists are. All right, next clear sheet. There we go. Doo-doo. Okay, that's a postal box. I believe that's a Japanese style postal box. These look like they're just like, you know, sending letters in the mail. I love the little birdie taking things along with him. I'm bringing you your mail. Oh, a pretend stamp. Don't use it as a real stamp, kids. They won't like it. And the artist brand is... No, this is by Stickii too. These are adorable. Very adorable. Alright, now the one I'm holding. Our little bears are back. I love that little bookmark. I can't wait to use this in my planner. These are absolutely adorable. Look at how happy they are. They're like, we're reading, we're enjoying. Oh, look, the little bear bookmark is inside one of the little books. These are fabulous. And here's our little artist's mark. Very cute. Alright, next sheet. Oh, I missed a clear one. Oh, well, that'll be a surprise for us in a minute. Okay. Alright, what do we have here? Little people having fun. Oh! Ooh. I like these outdoor activities, it seems. Things that you can do outside. Yeah. So adorable. Oh, we got our artist mark already. I love that. That's so colorful. Origami? Origami. And there's the Instagram. Is it artist mark or is it just another sticker? Either way, I'm happy. Alright, oh. Turn that around. Put the sheet in front of it. Looks like little squares. Something at the bottom here. Just little boxes that I bet you can use in your planners and notebooks to check things off or to... They look like apps. Isn't that it kind of looks like the settings app on your phone? But yeah, you can use them to check off, like a cute way to check off your to-do list by putting the stickers down or just putting them in front of the items that you want to denote as separate. You can use them to have your daily trackers to write them down if you want. What's this? It's a maker's mark. And, wow, it's a sticker too. I love when they make them stickers. You've probably heard me say that before. Because then all your favorite artists, you can keep the sticker. So you know who they are in case you need to go back later to find them. Looks like we are already at the upside down washi tape set, which is spread out like this because the washi tape continues. It's not cut here. The bottom one is smaller because there is an artist mark there. Let us zoom in to that. Okay, let's see here. Oh, these are so cute. Oh, it's a little bird with the postal stuff. Oh, that is so adorable. don't know why, but that one's cut. Like the when they put it on here, they must have like cut too deeply with their machine. That's okay. All right, and there it's by Stickii again. Okay, and then we have our last sheet here. It's very smooth and matte. Very smooth. Oh, it goes along with the. I think it goes along with the envelope in the stationery set. I want to say yes. I want to say yes. Yes, it is. There's the potion bottle. I love like cute potion bottles and stuff. Like, I wish we had them in real life. Pochi. Very adorable. Love that. So what do we think? This month is very adorable. Everything was very academic feeling, like, you know, outside stuff that had to do with like what are you doing during, if you're a college student, what are you doing in between classes? Are you having a picnic? Are you flying a kite? Alrighty then, I will see you in my next unboxing. Thank you for coming along for this one. Did you enjoy this? If you did, put something academic down in the comments, like, you know, the emojis. Pick one and just throw it in there. Thank you so much. Boop, boop. Bye-bye.